Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 100 divide 10 divide 10 is what? Many people fail to solve this type of problem. They get confused how to solve. So what you have to do is 100 divided by 10, then divided by 10. We can write this, so it will cancel out. So 10 divided by 10 equal 1. Another method, what you can do, 100 divided by 10 divided by 10, divide this by 1. So 100 by 1, if we put multiplication sign instead of division, we can write 1 by 10. Similarly, this becomes 1 by 10. So if we multiply the numerator, this becomes 100 and the denominator is also 100, then your answer is also 1. So both the cases are right. You can opt any of them. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.